With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is, the force of repulsion between 2-point charges is F when these are at a distance of 1 meter. Now the point charges are replaced by spheres of radii 25 centimeter having the charge same as that of the point charges. The distance between their centers is 1 meter. Then compare the force of repulsion in the two cases. Hence we can say here, suppose let's say we have been given there are 2-point charges here. So this is our first point charge and this is our second point charge here. So these are the 2-point charges and the distance between these 2-point charges is given in the question here as 1 meter, and they experience a repulsive force of given in the question as 1, let's say F. So we can say here this repulsive force can be found out by the Coulomb's law. So this repulsive force we can say here in magnitude sense will come out to be our F is equal to, we have here as K Q1 Q2 by R square. So K here is our 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 into Q2 divided by R here is 1 meter. So this F value comes to be Q1 Q2 divided by, we have here as 4 pi epsilon naught. Now here it says these point charges are replaced by spheres of radii as 25 centimeter, same charge as that of the point charges. Now here we can say these are replaced by two spheres of same charges. Now the distance between their centers is given in the question to be as our 1 meter. So this distance is given to be our 1 meter and their radius is given here as our 25 centimeter. So radius of both these two spheres is given to be 25 centimeter. So this charge is Q1, this has same charge Q2. Now the force of repulsion in this case will be, let's say, our F dash here. So we need to find this repulsive force, our F dash. So this F dash force can be said as equal to, we can say here as F dash is equal to our K Q1 Q2 divided by R square. So here K can be written as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. The charges on these two spheres Q1 Q2 we can assume them to be concentrated at their centers. So we can say here this is Q1, this is Q2, and the centers distance still remains to be 1 meter. So we can say here that it is independent of the radius. So we can see here this force still comes to be Q1 Q2 divided by, we have here as 4 pi epsilon naught, which here is still our F. So we can say here the repulsive force still remains to be the same. It does not change. It does not depend on the radius of the two spheres. So repulsive force is still same. That is, we have our answer as the new repulsive force is equal to still value of original repulsive force, that is F. Hence F is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.